used in the engineering and scientific fields, LabVIEW and MATLAB. Both LabVIEW and MATLAB are powerful tools used for data analysis, simulation, and control systems. But they differ in terms of their approach to programming and their specific use cases. Programming approach. LabVIEW is a graphical programming language that uses a visual interface to represent program logic. In contrast, MATLAB is a textual programming language that requires developers to write code using specific syntax and semantics. Ease of use. LabVIEW is known for its ease of use, especially for beginners. Its drag-and-drop interface allows users to easily create complex programs without having to memorize syntax and semantics. MATLAB, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve due to its reliance on textual programming. Applications. LabVIEW is commonly used for data acquisition, control systems, and instrumentation. It is popular in the engineering and scientific fields for its ability to control hardware in real time. MATLAB, on the other hand, is used for a wide range of applications, including data analysis, numerical simulation, and modeling. Compatibility. LabVIEW is compatible with various hardware devices and can easily interface with other software tools. MATLAB, on the other hand, has built-in support for various toolboxes and can integrate with other programming languages. Performance. LabVIEW is optimized for real-time performance, making it ideal for applications that require high-speed data acquisition and control. MATLAB, on the other hand, is optimized for numerical computation and can handle complex mathematical operations efficiently. In conclusion, LabVIEW and MATLAB are powerful tools used for data analysis, simulation, and control systems. LabVIEW is known for its ease of use, real-time performance, and compatibility with hardware devices. MATLAB, on the other hand, is versatile and can handle a wide range of applications, including data analysis, modeling, and numerical simulation. Choosing between the two depends on the specific needs of the project and the expertise of the developer. Thank you for watching.